Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel.
I know it's a game, I'm not gonna play, but maybe you should do whatever you need to erase me. It's all just a game.
If you guys are new here, I will be attending the University of Alabama in the fall, and I will be majoring in news media with a concentration in sports. Today I will be filming a try-on haul for you guys with everything that I bought during quarantine. A disclaimer, this is not sponsored by anybody. I buy most of my stuff off of resale groups and like apps like Curtsy and Mercury, where they sell gently used items, or some are new items, the sellers didn't like them. So the only thing I do buy full priced from Lululemon, because that's mainly what this haul is. I buy these Align tanks, and they are $54 on the website. They sell out really quickly and they're in high demand, so everybody sells them for a lot higher than they are on the website. So I just wait for them to restock on the website before I buy them. So it is not sponsored whatsoever, but I will leave my codes down below in the in the description box, so you guys will have a chance for $10 off, and I think $5 off for Mercury off of your first purchase from those apps that I use. So let's get into the video. So this Align tank is in rustic coral, and the shorts, I don't know the exact print of them, but they are the speed shorts, or they're either the speed up shorts. I forget which one they are. I forget what year they were made. I got this one off of the website. I got the Align tank off the website, and then I bought the shorts off of Curtsy. But I'm a size 6 in the Align tanks. I can do a 4, but it's a little bit more showy. And then I'm a size 4 in the shorts. I forget if I said that or not. I'm 118 pounds and a 32C, so that can give you guys a little bit of whatever it's called. So you guys can kind of base your sizes off of like those measurements, if you guys are around my measurements. And then my next item I got is this white Align tank, and this is the cool Align tank. I forget if I said this or not. I like redid this part, and I think this one fits tighter than the regular Align tank, but could just be making that up. This is the white Align tank, and I got this in a size 4 because they were out of the size 6, and it fits. It's just more showy than the other one, but it still fits fine. Like, it's not too tight or anything. So I'm gonna try this on, as you guys will see. And I got these navy aligns from the Facebook resale group, and they are super soft. I love them. They are high-waisted, and then there's the logo. And then I love the part, let me find the size dot. I love the fact that they have a size dot, because if you cut off your tags, then you always have the size dot. So that's really cool too. And then these have them too. I'll try to find this one. So that way you can cut off the tags, but I don't know. And these are also rip tags, so you can just rip them. Let me see if I can find them. Oh, these also came with pads, but I took them out because they looked really weird. I can't. Let's see. Can I find it? Okay, can't find it. Yeah, I can't find it in the Align tank, but I'm gonna try this on and I will be back. Okay, so as you guys can tell in the try-on haul, these are navy, by the way. They look black, but they're navy. These are the 25-inch length, and since I'm 5'1", they go a little bit longer on me. I could wear these full length, but then it'd be loose on the ankles because they're supposed to hit at calf. But I really like that length because the 28-inch, they bunch up at the bottom, which you guys will see later on. And then my next item are these, hold on, let me check the name of it. I just looked it up too. They are the Smooth Stride Crop, and these are 17-inch. So they do hit like more of the calf area, like you'll see, but they hit like right here, I think. And then they have like a little zipper on the back, which is really cute. And then they have these little scalloping details. I don't know if you guys so that's cool. And this is the full-on Luxtreme material. It is thicker than the regular Luxtreme material, which you guys will see because I have a gray or a green camo pair that are in the regular Luxtreme. And I will go try these on and I will be back. Okay, so as you guys can tell, these hit more of the mid-calf area. And I think I got a 4 in these, but honestly I could probably do a 6 in them because they are thicker than the lines, and so they're more constricting. And yeah, so I think I could do a 6 in these and be fine. They are a little bit tight. They fit, they're like mid-rise. They're not full high-rise, but it still looks flatterable. Flatterable, is that even a word? I don't know if that's a word or not, but I just created it, so we're gonna go with it. But I think these leggings are super comfy. I do prefer the lines because they are super soft. Like when they say buttery soft, they're not lying. But these are really nice. They're a thick material, so they'll hold up very well. And I don't think these I don't know, whatever they do whenever they get like the little fuzzy thingies on them. So that's a plus too. So let's move on to the next item. Okay, y'all, my next item are these 28-inch Align pants, and they are in a size 2. They are in the color Chianti, I believe. I'm pretty positive. Yes, they are in the color Chianti, and they look more red in this. They're more like a muted red, I'd say, and they're really pretty and soft. And these are high rise again, and then they have the Lululemon logo on the back. And then these also have the size dot for you guys. Let me find it. Maybe this doesn't. Oh, it should be in here. Pocket, the other pocket. They put in these little pocket thingies. Not exactly sure. Oh, here it is. Size 2. Maybe if it focuses. Size 2. And they're really soft. And I can't wait to try them on for you guys because I was waiting until I filmed this video to try them on. So let's go. Alrighty, so as you guys can tell, these are really long on me since they are the 28-inch. But the good thing about Lululemon, even if you get these used off of a different website or a resale page, they will hem it for free for you. They're not doing any hemming right now, I don't think, because of the virus, but they will be getting back into that. And these I actually bought off of the Lulu website. These were on sale though. These are in the We Made Too Much section. So I scored a good deal for there, which I'm pretty sure they are out of stock on them. But yeah, so let's get on to the next item. So the next item that I'm going to be showing you guys are these green camo. These are Wonder Under, and they are the regular Luxtreme fabric. And they are they're like really like smooth, like they're like kind of silky feeling, kind of, not really. These are low rise, so as you guys can tell by the waistband, they do not come up very high, which I wish they did, but I got them off of Curtsy, so I couldn't really decide what type of waistband I wanted, but I just think the high rise is more flattering. But I will go try these on and I will be back. As you guys can tell in the try on, these come right below my calves, and I don't know what length these are because they do not they're still kind of big at the bottom, but they're not as big as the other ones. So these might be the 25-inch too. I don't really know because they didn't really say on the Curtsy app description. But I really like these. I love the fabric more on these than the full-on Luxtreme that I did with the teal leggings. So let's move on to the next one. For the next item, these are the spring breakaway shorts. Oops, I had them backwards. These are 4-inch inseams, so these are longer than the other ones that I tried on earlier. They have pockets, real pockets, which are nice because the speeds and the speed ups have like that little pocket in the back. They have a scrunchy waistband, which is really nice. And these are, I believe these are a size 4. They might be a 6 though. Let me see if they have a size. Oh, they do. Yeah, okay. These are a size 4. Okay. And the newer styles have the numbers around the dot, and that's how you can figure out what style and what batch they came from. So these are the older styles, so they don't have that around it. But these are the spring breakaway shorts, and I will go try these on, and I will be back. Okay, so as you guys can tell in the try on, they are not high-rise shorts, but they are a really good length for like being around family and whatnot. So you guys can use it for lounging or just hanging out, hiking, whatever your preference is. I haven't used these for exercise yet, but I'm going to probably wear them to dance one of these days, and so we will see how like the fabric holds up. I forget what fabric these are. I think I looked it up once, but I will try to leave the link to the Lulu Fanatics website with these in it. That way you guys can check it out and see what fabric it is, and like if you guys are interested in purchasing, they have like links to eBay and stuff, so that way you guys can get those. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys would like to see a part 2 video of my quarantine purchases, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys would like to see in other videos, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that way you guys don't miss a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!